Hello friends, welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So friends, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Facebook newsfeed no showing problem. So friends, before we get started, please do like and subscribe this YouTube channel, and please hit the bell icon to receive all notification videos from Android Tips. So friends, I'll show you how to fix with this problem. You just need to watch this video to know how to fix Facebook newsfeed no showing problem. So friends, I will take you to Facebook. So friends, you can see this is my Facebook personal account. So you can see I'm able to view all those Facebook news feed. So friends, first thing, you should have lots of Facebook friends in your Facebook account. So friends, if you don't have Facebook friend in your Facebook account, you will not be able to see all those news feed. So firstly, you should have lots of Facebook friend, and second thing, you should have a good internet connection. Without internet connection, you may face this problem. So first thing, you should have lots of Facebook friend in your Facebook account, and then you will be able to see all those news feed. And second thing, you should have a good internet connection, so that you will be able to use Facebook very smoothly. So friends, even after you have lots of Facebook friends, even after you have lots of Facebook friends, even after you have a good internet connection, you're still facing the same problem. I'll show you how to fix with this problem. So friends, you just need to go to Play Store and Google Play Store, and then in the search bar you need to go to search bar and then search for Facebook. And friends, you just need to update your Facebook. If it is asking for update, you first need to update your Facebook if it is asking for update. So you have been if you have been already updated your Facebook application, but you're still facing the same problem, then I'll show you how to fix this problem again. So you just need to go to settings, and then scroll down, and then go to apps, and then go to manage apps. I'm using a Redmi device, so my interface might be different. So friends, after going into manage apps, you just need to search for Facebook. So friends, you can see Facebook here. So Facebook, and then you just need to clear the data of this Facebook application. You just need to clear the data of the Facebook application and re-login in with your Facebook account, so you will not face this problem anymore. So friends, even after clearing data, you're still facing the same problem. Even after updating your Facebook application, you're still facing the same problem. The last option will be, you just need to uninstall the Facebook application and go to Google Play Store and reinstall the Facebook application, and I assure you that you won't face this problem anymore. So friends, that's it. I hope you like this video, and I hope you understand this video. So till then, take care and thank you for watching this video.